So basically, when you have bad shocks, it will cause uneven tire wear. For example, over here you can see it's causing the inside of the tire to wear out quicker. So this is one sign that your shocks are bad. As you can see on the other side, good condition. Another sign is different ride height. As you can see, the rear side shocks are bad. So the ride height is much lower, maybe about 3 fingers high compared to the front, where you have about 6 fingers, 5 to 6 fingers high. So this side is higher and this side is lower. Another sign is that the vehicle bounces more than once. For example, when you push it down, it should only go down one time and up one time. Another sign is poor alignment. As you can see, the wheel is supposed to be straight like this. Instead, it's going in slightly like this. So it's going inward at an angle. Another sign is gonna be that when you're driving, and let's just say when you step on the brakes and suddenly your front end of the vehicle nosedive, that's also a sign your struts or shocks are bad. Another sign your struts or shocks are bad is gonna be instability while driving. Let's just say you're driving and you feel like you don't have much control on the road. That's a sign that your struts or shocks are bad. And lastly, it's going to be damage to the strut. Damage is normally caused by tires hitting the curb, or it's been involved in some sort of accident. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.